Hey friend, this is Lolo Reddy from Abstract Music Lab, and today I'm back here in the sound design channel. Today I'm recreating a key called Lunar Metal, and it sounds like this. If you want to also check the MIDI without sidechain. In Kontakt with sidechain. If you like this preset, you can get it over here in the description below in a DIVA pack called Deep Melodics Volume 2 that is available at Production Music Live's website. But now let's get started with it. We're going to initialize the sound. No shader box. Initialize the sound. And that's pretty much it. We're going to get started here by picking the voices, put it to 12, and using a dual VCO. Both VCOs are going to go up in the octaves. But we also need this here. Add a sine and add detune. It's a horrible sound, but we're gonna go here back a little bit. And now use a bit of cross mod. Now this sounds much better. High pass filter post. Tame a little bit of the low one. And let's go straight to the ADSR. We're gonna go here and put the sustain all the way down. Turn the release up. Put the decay down. And a bit of keyboard tracking. Pretty much when we press higher notes on the keyboard, we're gonna get smaller decay and smaller attack times. Now filter. We're gonna go into a cascade filter. Keyboard tracking up. So higher notes are going to have higher cutoff, but we're gonna also put this down. And envelope 2. So let's go to envelope 2. Sustain all the way down. Release. Velocity. And keyboard tracking. With the velocity, the stronger we press, the more we get out of this decay and sustain and attack time. The smaller we press, the shorter the note is. Same thing with the keyboard tracking as before. Bit of FM. Now we're also going to add a bit of an LFO too. Now LFO2, we have to modulate this. So random. Put this to 4:1. In addition, I'm actually thinking about switching this from a saw to a triangle. Less of a saw wave. Now amplifier, a bit down here. This is going to make your sounds quieter, but I'm going to level match the video, so that's why the video sounds the same. Now, vibrato. We don't hear anything because the depth mod is all the way up, so depth mod down. Now you hear it. Just to show you. We're gonna leave pretty much almost everything as it is, but the gate a little bit like this. So, it's not 1/16th, it's a little bit less than 1/16th. Glide as it is, volume mod as it is, and now pan mod, we're gonna use random. It's going to make this sound a little bit more random of where it plays in the stereo bit. modifications, we're going to add a little bit of LFO2 in the feedback. Now we're going to go into the effects section and we're going to add a plate reverb. Less of this. More size, more RDK. A little bit more dampening. A bit of pre-delay. So it takes some time for the reverbs to actually start playing. Now, delay. Center volume. No sides. High pass filter to tame a little bit. The low pass filter to tame a little bit of the high end as well. We're going to create something like this, which is going to create a little bit of a ping pong effect. While all the way up makes the delay a little bit more digital and feedback. And that's pretty much it. If you want to listen to it in context, we're going to activate Shaper Box, take it away from solo. Really cool sound that you can find over here in the description below. This is Lilo Ready from Abstract Music Lab signing off. Ciao.